Hi guys, I'm happy to see you on my channel. I had a big break in fitness and now I'm getting back on track, and I like to show you what I do and what works for me. I'm planning to lose 3 kilos of fat that I gained and then build more lean muscles, so I hope you'll follow along. First thing that I focus on is better sleep, because quality sleep is very important for getting results in fitness. It helps your muscles to recover and grow and gives you energy to train harder. I personally struggling with falling asleep. That's why I built a calming nighttime routine where I can relax, read some nice books and prepare myself for sleeping. And I also use some other things to calm down my body and mind. For example, I've been loving this hemp oil, which has a lot of health benefits, and improved sleep is one of them. It's a very popular remedy that you can use to relax and calm down your mind. Besides, hemp seed oil assists in weight loss by reducing appetite and inflammation. So I take it every night 30 minutes before going to bed, and it seems to be working for me. And it tastes really nice. If you want to try this oil, you can use my code EVERGREEN to get 25% off your purchases. I'll leave the link in the description below. First thing in the morning, I take a warm water with lemon, as always, and I make myself ready for the gym. I prefer to do cardio in the morning on an empty stomach. I feel that this way I burn more fat and it also helps to suppress my appetite. One of the best supplements I use for weight loss is L-carnitine. I like this brand particularly because it has pure high-quality L-carnitine and it really works. And I mix it with these aminos for better taste. This drink I take with me and consume it about 10 minutes before starting my cardio session. This is a cardio area and I usually start with Stairmaster because I believe that's the most effective. I sweat like crazy on it and it helps to burn a lot of calories. But maximum I can do 20 minutes on it. Then I do some other machines, usually it's elliptical, which I do for 20-40 minutes depending on my energy levels. But this time I could do only 20 minutes and I finished my session with a bicycle, because I was already very exhausted at that point. So in total it's 50-60 minutes of cardio, which is more than enough for me. For breakfast I usually crave an avocado toast, but now I also add some salad to it for more volume and nutrients. I know that I personally lose weight when I follow a simple rule in making my meals. My plate should contain protein and vegetables, or salads. And salads can be really gigantic. It doesn't matter because they don't contain many calories anyway. For some meal ideas for weight loss, you can check my recipe videos on my channel. I will leave some links in the description below. Here I'm gonna make a workout plan that I'm gonna follow for the next couple of months in order to get back in shape. I believe it's very important to have a structure in your workouts, then you can make a progress and see the results. Because my goal is to lose some weight, I add 10 minutes cardio to every workout I do. And also, I have a couple of days completely dedicated to cardio. That's what I think is gonna work for me. There are also a lot of workout plans available online, which you can follow and then adjust to your needs. Lastly, I'd like to mention that I try to make at least 10,000 steps a day. I track it with my fitness watch, and it really motivates me to move more and actually hit this number. Walking is very beneficial for your health and really assists in weight loss. That's why I always include some walking in my workout plan, and it seems to be working for me. So I suggest you to try it also. That's all for today, and thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one.